Alrighty, folks, meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana weather. Quick forecast update for you tonight. Lots to talk about tonight, but we'll try to take this one at a time. You've probably heard lots of talk out there already about the potential cold coming our way, and it does look like it's going to be a reality. So enjoy the warmth we had today. It'll be even warmer tomorrow on Wednesday. We're going to go up to the upper 40s, but beyond that, folks, winter is not done yet. Looks like temperatures are going to tank, and you'll see what I mean here in a minute. Future radar, not a whole lot to talk about here tonight, but we will stand the chance of some snow showers on Wednesday night as I put this into motion. You can see this moving down here by early on the Thursday morning, really, sort of a time frame. Nothing too big. Accumulation wise, maybe a dusting for a few folks if we're lucky. Not a big storm system by any means. Do think we'll see some flurries potentially lingering into Thursday, but again, not a big system. Now, as far as chances for significant accumulations are concerned, we will have that next week. Basically, what we've got is three different storm systems to worry about. This right here, we're looking at the jet stream, by the way. This is your first system that's going to move down over us on Thursday, but there's another system back over in here that'll be moving some light snow showers again on Saturday. But beyond that, excuse me, up in here we have another system that's set to move through on Tuesday, and it's located right around in here in the jet stream. This will be working its way around and eventually moving in, but as you can see, I just want to highlight how far away in the jet stream down the pipe it is here next Tuesday. All this to say, what you'll see tonight, folks, this is a couple thousand miles away. Certainly lots can change, so just bear that in mind. That said, the models are showing snow next Monday night and Tuesday, but the models are sort of wavering back and forth on the solution. It's another southern tracking low pressure. Here's the way the GFS looks for Monday night and early into Tuesday morning. You can see it keeps us in all snow event, tracks the low to our south. This was the run this morning, but the run this afternoon is the GFS. You can see, well, it tracks that low further north of us. Story of our life. Now, we will have some Arctic air in place a lot more than what we did with this last one. If I back this up just a minute, what I want to show you here is it's really two features coming in. There's a feature moving down here and a feature to the south of us sort of merging. Now, the last time, a week and a couple of days ago on that Sunday, it was a southern tracking low, and what happened is the model showed snow and potentially significant snow for days and days and days. Then once the storm system moved on shore a couple of days for the event, things changed and we lifted back to the north. So we'll watch out for that. That's certainly a possibility. However, last time, a couple of days before the big event happened, we were still stuck in the 30s and even some upper 20s for our temperatures. This time we're talking about lows in the single digits on Sunday morning, so that could certainly have an effect to push the system more to the south and not let it come so far north. That's something we'll watch for over the coming days, but we're not exactly 100% sure yet. And just to give you some ideas of the other models here, the Canadian model absolutely hammers us with snow. It keeps the system down to our south for the most part as well, hammers us with some snow. European model is in that same idea. It also sees the two waves, a southern tracking low pressure system. First blue line, here's your rain snow changeover line, and it keeps some accumulations for us as well. How much snow could we potentially talk about? Well, it could be pretty significant. If the European model is to be believed here, Kentucky could get hammered with some significant snows in a 2 to 3 inch, maybe even 4-inch swath over our area. GFS a little bit more aggressive than that, and really it hammers us with 2 to 4, maybe even 5 inches along the Ohio River, according to the area. This was the run this morning. By this afternoon, though, you can see it significantly cut those totals down a little bit more. Canadian model just absolutely going ridiculous on its snowfall amounts. I hesitate to even show this. This is almost pure entertainment value here right now at folks. Basically what we could do with this is just put an X by it and laugh. It's probably not going to happen. We never end up getting that lucky, but it's certainly the outlier right now. Is it a possibility? It's a possibility we could have a minor system. It's a possibility we could have a pretty big system. We just don't know yet at this point, folks, but bottom line is we'll keep an eye on it over the coming days. I do see some big cold coming our way. In fact, temperatures by the time you wake up on Sunday morning, bitterly cold here, folks. We're talking temperatures in the single digits, so prepare for that Arctic weather coming, folks. It's headed down the pipe, all right? Here's your 10-day forecast. You can go to southernindianaweather.com to get this. Again, a few clouds tonight, not bad. Cold down to 26. Warmer tomorrow with temperatures up in the upper 40s, maybe even near 50 for a couple of places. Clouds start to thicken up. We got a slight chance of some light snow showers overnight. Again, maybe a dusting for a few folks, but not too bad. It'll get pretty breezy during the overnight and get cold as we dip down to the upper teens for our low on Wednesday. Flurries with some clearing skies on Thursday rather, but look, only up to 22 for your high. It's going to be a bitterly cold day, down to 12 that night, and you can see the temperatures just really don't rebound much into the upper 20s Friday. Actually, by the time another cold front moves through on Saturday, maybe some more occasional flurries, and we're going to see falling temperatures into the teens during the afternoon hours, going down to single digits that night under mostly clear skies, bitterly cold. Sunday, not much better. We only recovered to near the 20-degree mark. You can see again by Monday, we're finally starting to recover a little bit with that system and that low pressure as it moves in, but there's big questions as to how much of a warm-up we could get here. I've went with some sort of a mix in between the two. Not really believing the Canadians' idea of heavy snow yet. I'm not sure I believe the idea of no snow yet either. What I'm wording it right now is just a chance of rain or snow. We'll call it that right now. Beyond that, it does look like it cools down again, and maybe even some more light snow chances beyond that. The chances are there, folks. Don't get too worked up about it yet. Yeah, there's a chance for a big one. There's also a chance that it could just sort of peter out and be a rain event for us. Again, right now we won't know. Again, this system is still way offshore over here, and it's not going to slide onshore for us probably until Friday or Saturday, and it'll be about then before we get a better idea. So hopefully over this weekend, we'll be able to nail things down a little bit more with specifics. All right, that is it for this update, folks. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great night, folks. We'll see you next time.